making a few of these mounts to hold a auto on-off light that goes inside my shipping container. I don't want to put screws through the walls or the ceiling to have potential leaks. So this uses a magnet on the back, screwed through. The light simply slides into it, captures enough of it that it doesn't fall out. Hanging on the bottom side of the ceiling of the shipping container, and I can still slide the light out to replace batteries. Slide it back in. So this is the blank I cut out. Program's pretty simple. Just tell it that I'm using 0.140 thick steel, 2-inch bend width, that doesn't really matter, 90 degree. Tell it that's underbent 6 degrees, that's just how much I had to calibrate it. Gooseneck 88 degree punch, 4-way die, the 0.866 width with the riser, hot rolled steel. I'm using gooseneck with 4-way die with the second to smallest V-slot opening. Run. And just tell it to single bend repeat. Start program. Yes. Do all the outside end bends first. It's not super critical that I get perfectly 90 degree left to right, so I'm not worrying about using like a square or anything. One side of the die for those and the other side for these. Put little bend tick marks with the plasma just so I know where the bend's at. I don't have to manually mark anything. And if I felt like it, I could sand them off afterward, but it's not critical for these. I probably won't even paint these just where they're inside the container and they're not gonna see any moisture and rust. Second inner bend. I did not purchase the CNC backstop with this press brake. For everything I do, it's usually one-offs. It's not really worth my time to set up to do a lot of repeat consistency. As long as the degree of bend is consistent, I'm happy. Kind of looks like the face hugger from Alien. Tighter. Still works. Not too shabby. Yeah, it'd be nice if they were straighter.